In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana in Google Gemini for creating a cyber geometric portrait in quick mode. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you get the most out of this fascinating tool. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to Google. Once there, type Google Gemini in the search bar and hit enter. You should see a list of search results. Look for the one that directs you to the official Google Gemini website and click on it. This will take you to the Gemini homepage where you can start creating. Now, on this homepage, you'll notice a plus sign icon. This icon is your gateway to uploading a photo, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've successfully uploaded the photo of your choice, the next step is to craft a precise prompt. For this project, let me suggest a prompt to you. Imagine a hyper-detailed digital poster featuring a mysterious blue-eyed man depicted in a half-face view. The artwork should blend elements of sketch art with geometric designs and technical blueprints, giving it a futuristic and cerebral appeal. With your prompt ready, it's time to explore the tools available. Head over to the Tools option on the screen and click on it. You will find several creative tools here, but the one we're interested in is the Create Images option, which you can easily identify by its banana icon. Clicking on this activates what is known as the Nano Banana feature, a creative component that will help bring your cyber geometric portrait to life. Having activated Nano Banana, you're almost at the finish line. The final step is straightforward. Simply click on the Submit button. This action will submit your prompt and photo to the Gemini platform, and in no time, you will be presented with a stunning cyber geometric portrait, crafted with the intricate details you specified in your prompt. There you have it, a straightforward yet profoundly creative process using Nano Banana within Google Gemini. Remember, the key to a stunning geometric portrait lies in the creativity of your prompt and the quality of the image you choose to start with. Experiment with different prompts and images to see what incredible creations you can produce. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!